No, the girl them they with bigger man, I just the girl them were like pedophiles. Hey guys, my name is Howard. Welcome back to Howard's World, and today we're doing a video before Valentine's Day because it's about Valentine's Day. But I don't want to do it on the day because I don't want to feel like I'm bitter. So I do it before for one or no. So, I'm going to shoot. I'm going to do the Valentine's Day or something. You know what I mean? I'm going to do the Valentine's Day or something. Being honest, kind of charge up right now, but me like vibes. Me like the vibes. I listen to me. So let me explain. We're not Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day are people who that are the only day they have to celebrate love. No. Love to celebrate year round. They can't choose one day out of a year to celebrate Valentine's Day. That makes no sense. That makes sense to you? Exactly. Like, we don't celebrate Valentine's Day because I feel like love to celebrate
all round.
All round, like every day is supposed to make your partner feel special.
Another one day they decide to open the door.
Alright, ask ya. Suppose for Valentine's Day, I one time a year, me not have it. That means I don't love my partner because I not have it the day there? That makes sense, bro. That makes sense. Plus, it's just a Valentine's just a holiday designed to make money. Yo. The big store they make money. Valentine's Day.
No joke.
The big store.
I remember like buying a couple of bracelets and nice bracelets, you know. Like, what?
When they were deep in love.
Yeah, bro. Yeah. Like you don't know, like you have a show, cause the time I'm still a lover boy, but the time they really into it. You see me? So I say, yo, baby, so here is this is my thing to you that.
You ever do with somebody where, if like push and like make Valentine's Day feel special to them, they feel unloved?
Yeah, man. Yeah. Cause them feel as if like.
So let them look out for the day there.
All of the energy they put on that day there.
Alright. For a girl, which do you think way more? You think it makes sense? You think it would make more sense if you give her everything for Valentine's Day or give her everything for like Christmas? Because Valentine's Day and Christmas they're close, I on Christmas me spend money buy big gift. Me nah go have it for Valentine's Day.
Remember.
Me nah have it. Or yeah.
The same thing we go for Christmas. Okay, for Valentine's Day because I'm still ready.
So, yo, man them or girl them, if you have a red present, if you give your man or your woman on the left before you get to give them, you can't get them by Valentine's Day. You ever give a gift?
To the same person?
No. Like if you have a gift to somebody and
yeah,
you have them not talk.
Put down. Put down. And I tell you no joke. I had this envelope. Oh, with the same bracelet. Cause she did give me back when day.
Yeah.
Yeah. With some $300 in there. So I did find the bracelet with the $300. And me also in our relationship. I say, alright, cool. Now waste this. Give it to
You get to the next girl?
Yes, man.
Wait. She give you back a gift for the year?
Oh, the one who did tell me did save up and.
Yeah, the one who.
Yeah, man.
Like when the stop link, she give back a gift?
No, man. The same day.
She gave back a gift?
Yeah. Yeah, man, it was hard to stomach.
This was like, wait, pause. How long ago? Open this like about this. How long ago was this?
This was like.
Like last year? The year before last? Like long time?
Yes.
Oh, long time. Cause me say yo. How never hear about this?
Nah, bro. It's like.
I gonna give out the gift on the same day?
Yeah, man. Come with.
Like same time?
Bro, we were.
Or later in the day she gave up?
Nah, man, like.
You said in and she said back?
Yes. She looked upon it slowly, isn't it, bro?
You gotta go,
No!
She never that. Wait. Honestly, by now, guys, I just realized that, like, we just a vibe. We just a vibe. Big up on yourself. We just a vibe. Let's see what you'll do on the Saturday. Big, like, honestly, today is Saturday. I'm posting later. Me not do much editing for the video. Just want to see we are a vibe. Ask ya charge up because I'm explaining.
No.
Ask you as a drinker.
Made out me.
Ask you as a drinker. Ask you to take show off and I follow me.
No, man.
And he either I kill him now.
No, man. Sometimes you have to just do things. Because you say you have to acquire a taste for liquor, you know? So you have to just take your time, break yourself.
Liquor nice, alright. You have to acquire a taste for like things like beer. You can't just drink beer like beer or Heineken. Like you have to acquire like a taste for them things there.
Nah, no
Liquor just nice, bro. Anyways, back to what I talk about. We drift so far. I don't celebrate Valentine's Day. Valentines or Valentine? Tines. I don't celebrate Valentine's Day for a lot of reasons, and honestly, I just feel like say a lot of pressure is placed on
the man.
Alright, girls.
Your viscosity is not enough as a gift.
Vagina alone can't be Valentine's Day gift.
Cannot work. No.
Valentine's Day. Let me tell you, if a girl buy me on Valentine's Day, yo, alright, even I miss that. Suppose I go to a girl, you're not there, we not vibe long, we're there for like 2-3 years. You go to a Valentine's Day and say, baby, just some penis here. She run in, She really enjoy your book.
Style. Style, yo.
Style. Oh, we are going with that. Nobody want for the present. What I can do to me? Yo, vagina is not a Valentine's Day gift. I just feel like too much pressure placed on the male on Valentine's Day. Like, you know, man, you know much man me know right now in a school youth I save.
Lunch money.
I save lunch money.
That was me.
I save lunch money.
Whoa.
If you buy Valentine's Day rose and them something there.
You know,
and them girl, them girl not take a little plastic rose away, yourself.
Killer, if you don't carry a chocolate, or even
a big teddy bear. You can't carry the small teddy bear, them bro.
Them always want the big one.
No man, you have to go buy the big one, them
plush size, big size them.
I have a link down my town still for the big one, them.
You can't get that inquire, sir.
I have a link down my town for the big one, them. Yo, 1 gram market, my God, you see me? Let me step out. See my sister coming on a big teddy bear. I said, where you get that from? So she buy it from a woman for $300. Ask him go find my woman. No. Cause remember, I know at December that I put on that in a youth. But till Valentine's Day, you know.
Did it ever come around for you to buy it?
To buy it? No, I bought it.
Still change it?
No, it was changed. No, I never go back and buy it on the night. Oh. You know, so after grandma get the price, then lift up. Yeah. Buy it on the night and put it on. Yo, yeah, one thing about me, you know. I go buy and put on things.
You know, I know.
One time I buy 3 chain. Like we did with this girl, I buy 3 chain. You see me? One say love, one say this, one say. But they get them cheap. You see me? But they get them cheap. So I buy them. Come and say, yo, I can't do it. You see, one day, I forget. Say, how many forget? I forget. One, I think of Valentine's Day, I forget. No. Why am stupid all the day? But you forget like Valentine's Day. Or, because like, I'm not big on Christmas gifts or whatever. Just get a little box. I could box and wrap up the chain them.
Of course.
But you can't get them 2 chain, no. I get them 1. Make it look like you buy expensive.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you have to buy. So I buy the 1 chain. I'm gonna wrap it up nice and make it look made with love.
That's it.
Made with love. I like a handwritten note. Made with love. But yeah, guys. So all in all, as I say, Valentine's Day, I just don't see the big deal like that's made on it. To be honest.
Let me save my money, brother.
Better me save my money. Honestly, like it's just like, alright, where you rather? Your manna treat her good and buy a little things throughout the year.
Yeah.
Or give you a big celebration, like a big bra fin for Valentine's Day and throughout the year or no just dead. I don't look good. I'm telling you. But just feel like say, alright, see your birthday for exciting. Of course. Valentine's Day can pass, bro. Valentine's Day only can just link up and do a 1, 2 trips. Watch the sunset.
If your birthday then near Valentine's Day, one Valentine one gift.
Don't expect no extra, no. If your birthday near Valentine's Day, just count to Valentine's Day now, please.
Don't come to about me cheap. Yo.
Not cheap.
More cheap.
We not work. Yo, we not put too much pressure upon the young youths. We not big man, we not work on them thing there.
Wait. But we don't want to say, oh. Because they might say, oh, that's the reason. If we bring that argument to them, they might say, oh, that's the reason why them deal with big man and then they with little boy.
No, the girl them they with bigger man are just the girl them will like pedophiles.
The man them will like pedophiles. No.
The girl. Guys, that will not be a presentation of my channel. Oscar is on his own with that statement. As I said, the girl them will like bigger man and the girl them will like pedophile, honestly. And the girl them will say, oh, but they older men because they're mature and they can treat us well. Nah, living on your means. Like, the young...
Who are you to tell them that?
Living on your means, mama.
Who are you?
Living
Them
on
to
your
be
means.
ambitious.
Nah, bro, the girl them living on their means. Now. That's why somebody get beat up, dog. Because they with some man where them a depend on them. Exactly. And that's about love.
No, we're not say yo, we're not blame you.
No, we're not
victim, you know.
We're not victim blame, but enough time, let's be honest. I want to put yourself in some very peculiar position, like, that could have been avoided. That could have been avoided. And then you're 18, and if you talk about a man, we are 40. That could be avoided. Like, you know, that's not necessary. I don't feel like an 18 or 40-year-old is needed in their life. Like, nah.
And shit, well.
You could have do without. Alright.
See if you CXC them want pay off. When I say yo, when I say yo if you be disingenuous, you can ask him if you want help out.
Let me explain. But isn't that like selling your body though?
No.
Yo, is it selling your body if like you have bills to pay and you just get one piece, a few bills? Is it selling your body or is it?
Call it what it is, please.
I feel like it's
transactional sex.
Yeah, it's transactional sex, honestly. So no sell your body. So enough prostitute in our world then. Cause enough woman do something, you know.
Well, they know what.
We know girl will look man before Valentines if you get Valentines Day gift.
Oh, then they both. That's you. Look at that.
Me now. Not them thing there. But them thing there. Me left here before Christmas because I don't want to buy the Christmas gift. Me left before your birthday. I never could like next 2 weeks. Me not have it. I'm not going to fake out what I mean. If I have it, I have it. I joke. Make it. Alright. Being honest, this video was sponsored by Liquor. So it's like, don't make not what I say. Being honest, the only reason we don't celebrate Valentine's Day because we don't have money this year.
We love you know.
Like,
we want to spoil you know, but boy.
May I be honest? Like everything I just said, just disregard it. I'd celebrate Valentine's Day this year. It's the liquor. I'd celebrate Valentine's Day this year if I did have money. But me not have money this year. So maybe bitter. Me don't want to see nobody in love right now. Come on, money.
Earth.
Me go like some bigs. Me good enough. But it's coming out of money, I go like bigs. Me then I move.
I want to see that.
Big one thing. Kind of shake your ass up. Now I don't want to celebrate Valentine's Day. More buy your gifts. Big up yourself. More buy your gifts and take care and treat them nice.
Yeah,
But
man.
the pocket set are weird. The pockets are weird right now. So next year, hopefully, we have a little money. But with all that being said, we love loving. So post your Valentine's Day pictures. Probably gonna block you. But big up yourself. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell a friend that your friend Howard said to tell a friend. Big up on yourself. Mega.